T-Mobile error code 450 signifies a billing hold on your account, leading to temporary service suspension. This hold is triggered by three primary issues: an outstanding balance exceeding $10, discrepancies between your account address and billing information, often due to recent moves or data entry errors, and failed or expired payment methods. Think of it as T-Mobile's automated system preventing bad debt. To resolve it, you must address the root cause, clear the outstanding balance, update your address, or reauthorize your payment method. T-Mobile prioritizes digital solutions for quicker fixes. The fastest way to resolve error 450 is through the T-Mobile app, which features AI-powered troubleshooting to guide you through fixes. Use the one-click pay feature to instantly resolve address discrepancies that may be causing the hold. Alternatively, log into your account online or via the app and navigate to the billing section. Verify and update your payment information, ensuring the billing address matches your current address. Once you've corrected the issue, the hold should be lifted within 24 to 48 hours. Enable account alerts to proactively detect potential holds before they occur. If issues persist, use the T-Mobile app to live chat with a representative for assistance.